to the YouTube channel. So a lot of people have been actually asking me on my opinion on Go54, and I should do a tutorial on it. And so today I decided to go through the stress of doing the tutorial for you guys because I love you guys. So if you're watching this video, you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, you do not love me. So because I love you guys, I'm watching this video right now. So I'm creating this video right now for your sake. Now, Go54, formerly Whogohost. Now this has been making people wonder, and a lot of people want to know if their platform is now better because they claim to be formerly Whogohost. That means they have actually switched Whogohost to Go54. Let's assume that a new company bought them called Go54 bought Whogohost. Now does that mean that we cannot access Whogohost? We can. Whogohost.com. So we can actually. This is just a domain. Both of them uses the same what's it called, database. Both of them uses the same database, if you ask me. And so if you want to log into Whogohost right now, it will take you down to Go54. The reason be that I feel that they were losing customers based on the fact that they changed the domain name, and this is not quite popular as they expected. So they actually, let me go to the home page. They actually they're actually losing customers, so they don't want to like have issue on that, so they decided to switch back to Whogohost. But anyway, so this is Whogohost, the main home page of Whogohost, and this is Go54. Now Go54 say they are formerly Whogohost. That means, what they simply means that they have actually bought the Whogohost platform, but both domain are accessible from the .com range. But the difference here is that Whogohost is accessible, the database of Whogohost is the same database this Go54 uses, but the only difference is just the domain name and the design. If you're a web developer, you should understand what I'm talking about. Anyway, as the platform change, this is me giving my own review of the platform and not teaching you how to make registration or anything, but this is, from this point, it's my own review. Now the platform is actually okay, but there is no difference from Whogohost and Go54. There is no difference. Now the live support here actually respond the same way Whogohost respond. So live support here, the same way Whogohost things was like, you make conversation, you wait for some time, like you wait for a lot of time before you are responded, before they get to reply you, and they have like these people here that says typically 10 minutes, but if we start a conversation now within 10 minutes, we won't get to like see them. They will have to use their bots to respond us. Now we won't get to see them for the next 10 minutes. So now let's talk about the hosting price. So as you see, let's go for the shared hosting, and on Whogohost, go for the shared hosting, the shared hosting. So get hosting. So now the shared hosting are both the same thing. Choose a plan. Okay, let's see, the premium plan starts from 2000 naira. So I do not want to accept any cookies. So the premium plan, as you see, is set for $1. Okay, let's change it to an error. Come here, click on N. Now start from 2000 naira. Pro plan 28 monthly, So approximately we could agree that everything on Go54 is the same thing as everything on Whogohost, right? Now how do you create an account? Now that we know that they are both the same thing, that means you will be experiencing the same thing you were experiencing Whogohost on Go54, because if you go to the Whogohost live chat, you click on it, you're going to see that it's the same people you have here. Those are the same people we saw on this part, guys. So it's still the same thing. The company is actually the same, as you see. It's actually the same, so there's no difference. Now how do you get started on Go54? Get started by clicking the get started button, which is the registered button or the sign up button, and you're taken to the platform where you actually create your account and put your password, and you get started. Now I already have an account with the platform. And the thing is, I can log in both platform. Like, I don't know why they left it this way, but I can log in both parts. As you see, let me show you. I can log in both parts at the same time, and it's not cool though, but it's actually their platform. So client login. So let me log in. As you can see. Okay, so before you could not like come here, but now you could literally come here. But I guess it's quite different though. So they've switched it now to app.go54. That is where the Go database was actually kept, and that's it. So let me log in and let's see. So now to create an account, all you just have to do is to get started with Whogohost. Enter your first name, your last name, or get started with Go54. Enter your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number, your password. Then you select your currency. As you can see, they support up to 5 currency, 1 2 3 4 5. Select your currency, sign up, click on the by signing you agree to the terms and condition, and then click on sign up, and that is it, guys. You are actually signed up. Now, how do you purchase a domain name?